Hey guys, what is up? So today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to blend your roots in with a coloring shampoo. I am using Celeb Luxury's Viral Color Wash shampoos in violet and light pink, as well as Olaplex No. 4 shampoo. But you can use any shampoo that you want if you choose to dilute them down a little bit. I do like to dilute it down because I enjoy having a little bit of a deeper root, just so it kind of gives a little bit more of an ombre look, so my roots are darker and my ends stay nice and light. I also want to point out that I'm mixing the two colors together just because I like to have a little bit more of a customized look, but you don't need to do that. You can use the shampoos just by themselves. You don't need to dilute them if you don't want to, and I recommend playing around with them and trying different things and seeing what option works best for you. These shampoos also come in a number of different colors. Personally, I like the Viral line just because they're bright, more vivid, fantasy colors, but they also make a line, it's called Gem Lights, and they are more natural colors. So if you're just a regular brunette, if you've got black hair, if you've got red hair, they have a color that will work for you. So you would obviously be doing this in the shower with wet hair. So it's really as easy as it looks. It's just shampooing it into your hair. I am keeping it more at my root just because I don't want the ends of my hair to be darker. If you wanted to, you can pull that all the way down, but I like to keep my ends nice and light. So as with any shampoo, if you feel like it's not sudsing enough, add more water before you add more shampoo. This will help distribute it a little bit more and avoid wasting any. As I mentioned earlier, I like to keep my ends light, so what I do is I shampoo the very ends of my hair with my Olaplex or any regular shampoo just to avoid getting them really purple. I make sure my hands are clear of the purple shampoo and I just shampoo the very ends and kind of work my way up, and then follow with any conditioner that you choose. And here we have it, the final look. As you can see, my roots are just a little bit deeper than the rest, but what this did is it really blended that line of demarcation. So it gives a nice seamless blend from my roots to my platinum light ends. I hope you guys found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a good hair day.